What is good, YouTube? It's your boy MattThePlugg, and today we are here with NYC, and hey, this has been very, very, very requested. You know, we are here, of course, reacting to what you guys love me to react to. We're watching BTS Dionysus today. You know what? Without further ado, before I say go follow him on any social medias, it's all Fendi NYC. It's probably gonna be on the screen right here. So go show him some love, support. It's free. We love it. If you guys like this video, it's free to subscribe as well. If you guys enjoy me as a person, and if you guys enjoy the video, then like the video. If not, hey, it is what it is. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So wait, it was the name of that song I was just playing Older Woman? Not gonna lie, I thought their suits were connected at first. My boy RM. Before anything, if you guys didn't know, the guy right here is one of my favorites. So if that's your favorite too, make sure to comment it down in the comment section. This is his first time reacting to any K-pop related stuff, so he doesn't really know. But wait, hold on, what's going on here? Why is it silent? That's actually a really good question. They're a group that are aged from 24 to 29. I think the oldest one is 29. Okay. They change their hair colors more. They're like the people that change their hair colors the most, and their hair stays healthy and doesn't get damaged for some reason. You asked who was he? That's me. I apologize, y'all, if it may be a little too loud. It's just, y'all know I haven't made a little video in a minute, so I don't got everything organized right now, but what do you think so far?
I mean, do I understand like the music? No. Do I fuck with the dance moves? Hell yeah. And like I'm still confused. How many is it? Is it like 4 or is it like
no.
8?
Yeah.
It's 8?
It's 8.
And like what this countdown, is it like, you know, like how we used to have it back in the day, like the PT awards and shit, like and the stage type shit, or like
no, this is I know that the most important one is the MAMA, Yeah, that's really important. And then they also have like they be in MTV awards and stuff like that as well. But what I have to say is, you don't know how hard it is to dance and sing at the same time until you have to do it
dance,
and perform
and
you gotta also understand that they're performing in front of thousands and thousands and thousands of people, which is really nerve-wracking because at the end of the day we both have an audience, a family. I call my family I call my base a family because that's what we are. And when we making a video, well, you're different because you live stream. Yeah, so yours is live. Mine isn't. I get to, anytime I mess up, I can just edit it out and then just continue with the video. But you are live. So just imagine you having to get up and dance and sing for all the people that's watching you live.
Matter of fact, let's do it like this. Hey, yo, if we could get 25 likes, me and my boy right here will reenact one of their dance moves.
No, we not. No, we not.
You gotta say
no.
You gotta say
no.
it.
25 likes, you're gonna get that in the first hour. No, let's get back into the video. Trying to set me up, y'all. They work really hard on their dance moves. I ain't gonna lie. But
They rap.
yeah, they rap.
Nah, this shit hard.
Wait, hold on. Can I change the subtitles into English subtitles? Hold on.
Can
Yo.
we
They don't got it. They don't got it in the performance.
Oh, that sucks. They don't got it in this performance, but yo, if it was possible, I would have did it for you.
Boy, you ready for this?
My boy RM.
Wait till you hyped up.
Whenever he start rapping, just know
Come on.
it's over. He gonna kill it. He didn't even rap. He baited us. I have another question for y'all. I'm sorry to interrupt so much and sorry to pause so much, but when they're doing their dances, right, is there, like, do you guys know who made the dance or the choreography? And if so, I want y'all to let me know how you guys know, and I want y'all to let me know what dance did RM make and when did he choreograph a dance, because I want to know. So y'all let me know in the comment section. That's my question to y'all. Craziest part is I never heard this song. Now they did their thing.
Nah, that's valid right there.
I want to know how it looks though in person when you're there and they are performing, cause it's definitely a totally different experience. He did. So how do they?
I got a video of it. Vincent sent me. He said that was his favorite performance of theirs that day.
This one? Well, y'all, that was
fire.
that's
right
what
there.
y'all call great, man. But do you have anything that you learned from this video, seeing them dance and anything you want to say? Any comment?
I mean, honestly, would I listen to another song of them? Hell yeah. I feels like, you guys will see me more in some reactions, 100 likes.
No!
Y'all can see me show the
Look,
roll.
alright, so look, how about this? So the video that I said that I'll get tatted with my favorite BTS artist has, which is the BTS symbol right here for y'all that don't know. If y'all get my most liked video, which is right now at like I think 800 likes, to 10,000 likes. That's my best doing video till this day right now. Until maybe this video drop and maybe this video go crazy. But what I'm saying is, if y'all get that video to 10,000 likes, I'll start my own BTS. I'll start my own K-pop group. And I get all my friends to join, and y'all gonna see the process of us going from the bottom to the top, like BTS did.
Word.
Probably not as big as BTS, but I'm saying, look, hey, you never know. Anything is possible. But besides all that, man, I want to thank you guys for coming out and supporting me. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if y'all like my content. Make sure to go follow Fendi NYC. His link will most likely be in the description, so you guys can go follow him on Twitch, follow him on YouTube. Sooner or later, he's going to start reacting as well, so let's get into it. But I want to thank every single one of y'all for all the love and support y'all been showing me. You guys are great, and I love every single last one of y'all. It's been your boy MattThePlugg and
Fendi NYC. Yo,
and we're out. Peace.
Cause of Vita, and I ain't talking about the cheese, yeah. I get to it quick like a cheater. Bitch, that he call me a cheater. I told her it really don't mean nothing. I told her, baby, go and do what you want. Tell me she in love with all of my flows. She told me she in love with all of my flows. Yeah, she told me no. She said that she in love with all of my flows. Whoa. I told her, baby, are you real?